If you're not already familiar with 5-Minute Crafts, they're one of the biggest channels here on YouTube, the 5th most subscribed to channel on the platform actually, with 69 million subscribers. But if you're like me and you've seen one of their videos, you're probably left wondering, is anyone out there actually doing this? So for today's video, we're going to try to attempt recreating 3 of their Halloween makeup looks. Okay, so it looks like the first thing she does is tear the cotton pad in half. Put it on my eye. Alright. So next I'm gonna open up the fake blood here. Is there a hole in the... No. Wait, is there? I can't tell. Is there a hole in the...
No, I don't think so.
Wait, there's a hole in the...
Oh no.
Oh no.
You should just start over.
Start over?
No.
So, okay, here we go, round 2. Okay, I think it's time for the pencil. I'm actually a little bit scared to do this part. I don't want to poke myself in the eye. Oh my gosh, I'm a little bit scared. Oh no. Alright, I kind of want to try round 3 and see if we put holes in the cotton pad first. Oh wow, you really actually have to kind of saw through it a little bit. Okay, alright. Here we go. This is the last time. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find the hole again. I don't feel like I can find the hole. I'm touching my skin. Okay, oh, I think I found the hole, okay? Now I have to find the other hole. Oh, is it poking through? I think I better stop there. I feel like the top of the pencil took most of the cotton pad with it. I don't know if this would last very long, if you were to wear it to a party or something. I don't know if you would make it the whole night like this. I don't think this one really works, but let's find out. Maybe the next one's gonna work. Alright, so it looks like the first step, sponge in the latex. Oh, this is a lot easier to do to someone else. I'm actually not going to cover his eyebrow because getting the latex out of my own eyebrow was not fun, so I know in the video she covers hers, but it's going to be nice to Jake and not put any of the latex on his eyebrow. Alright, I feel like I have a pretty good layer on there, so we're going to let it dry now. Okay, now it's time to dry the holes. I'm actually kind of curious. Oh, it's very sticky. Oh, I'm getting some. It's all coming off at once. Okay, I gotta tear a hole. Okay, alright, I feel like that looks like enough holes now. Okay, now she just kind of I just kind of tore up the little cotton pad. And I just feel like this is covering the holes up though. Another one right here. Okay, I feel like that looks pretty good. Alright, I've got my coffee. Okay, the coffee's actually sticking a lot better to the latex than I was expecting that it would. Alright, blood time. It just kind of looks like I put the fake blood all over your face. I feel like it pretty much just looks like I just smeared the fake blood all over his face, and the latex and the coffee grounds did absolutely nothing. I mean, the blood is scary looking, like it is gross. I don't know. All right, let's try hack number 3. Okay, so I have my putty here. Looks like the first step is to just make like a little box of where you want the bones to be showing through. I don't know if this is gonna make your arm hair.
I don't know when you thought you bought putty, but you bought wax. Did they tell you what they use in the video?
No. I thought that after I did the first one, it was gonna get easier from there. I've never done like Halloween makeup before either. So this is my first go. But I feel like that kind of makes me a good candidate for the 5-minute crafts.
Yeah, because you're
'Cause
not
they're, like,
supposed to be a
hacky.
makeup
Yeah.
artist.
They're for the everyday person, just like me. This is really messy.
It looks really interesting. It kind of more like looks like a vampire left his teeth on my hand.
Okay, a little restart here. I rewatched the video, and as I watched, I noticed that before they did the putty, it kind of looked like it was kind of like in little like snakes. Okay, so I rolled out my little snakies. Now it looks like she kind of places them on and then uses the little tool to press them down. Okay, I feel like it's looking pretty good. Time for the last side. All right, so next, latex in the center, and then you kind of like let it dry and then peel it up. Interested to see how the peeling up section is gonna go. Okay, so I feel like I have a pretty good layer of the latex there, so we're gonna let it dry and then we'll be right back. So I think it's looking pretty dry. I'm gonna start trying to peel it up. So she peels it towards the fingers.
I think your prediction was right.
What?
I think it's like wax. It's gonna rip off my hair.
Okay. Okay, wait, it's actually coming up like, okay. Hey, not too bad. Okay, okay, I think I'm gonna stop right there. Okay, so more latex. I think this layer is just so that the Q-tips will stick. Okay, more latex, and then the cotton. Okay, cotton. Ooh, I'm a sticky mess. Get our blood sponge back out. This one might be the best one yet.
Ta-da!
I think that wraps everything up for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. I would love to hear about your guys' experience with 5-minute crafts, and if you've ever tried it, let me know in the comments down below, and we'll see you next time.